Hey everyone, today we're breaking down Canva Free versus Canva Pro to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Whether you are designing casually or using it daily for work, I've got the full scoop for 2025. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, so make sure to check out what works for you. Canva Free is a solid option if you're just starting or only need basic design tools. You get access to thousands of free templates and design elements, basic photo editing and graphic tools, 5 gigabytes of cloud storage, ability to collaborate with team members, and exports in PNG, JPG, PDF formats. For many casual users, this is enough to create social posts, presentations, or simple marketing materials. Now, Canva Pro costs around $12.99 per month but unlocks a ton of powerful features. Over 100 million premium photos, videos, and graphics. Magic Resize tool for quick multi-platform adaptation. Background remover for easy editing. Brand kits to keep your colors, logos, and fonts consistent. Unlimited storage and social media scheduling. And advanced collaborative tools or collaboration tools. On Reddit, longtime designers who've used expensive softwares like Adobe Photoshop say Canva Pro is absolutely worth it. They highlight how Canva's massive media library and fast design tools make it a real time saver. Sometimes even better for quick projects. And honestly, the monthly price is way less than what you'd pay for fonts, photos, or Adobe subscriptions. If you're just dabbling or designing occasionally, Canva Free is great and totally usable, but if you're a daily user or need professional level features and speed, Canva Pro is a smart investment that can save you tons of time and hassle. Have you tried Canva Free or Pro? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews.